Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to download or install latest iOS 16 to update on your iPhone and iPad. So guys, let's get started without wasting any time. First of all guys, what you need to do is just simply open any browser in your phone, like I'm opening Safari here. And after that, what you need to do is just simply search for beta.apple.com. Here it is guys, so you have to search for this. Now you have to wait for a while from here. As you can see guys, after that you will see this type of interface. So from here you have to tap on get started. So you have to tap on this. Now here you have to put your touch ID. Now you have to wait for a while from here. Now scroll it on. And here is, you can see guys, enroll your iOS device. Just simply tap on this. And now you have to scroll it down from here. And as you can see guys, showing your download profile. Just simply tap on this. Now you have to tap on Allah and then close it. Go back from here. And now let me show you in settings. You have to tap on this. As you can see guys, showing your profile, download it. And from here you have to tap on install. And here you have to put your phone passcode. And now you have to tap on install again. And tap on install again. Now tap on that now and just simply tap on done. Now it's done, and latest 12 beta has been downloaded on your iPhone and iPad. So that's the guide for today's video. If the video is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.